From extreme environments to precision factories, the CR450 represents the next leap in high-speed rail. Engineered for extreme conditions, the CR450 delivers unmatched speed across every landscape. In seconds, the full journey appears, from raw structure to high-speed engineering. The production of the CR450 begins with the careful selection of high-grade structural aluminum alloys for high-speed rail applications. Every raw aluminum billet undergoes detailed ultrasonic scanning to eliminate internal defects and guarantee full structural integrity before machining. Material validation is now complete, and the certified aluminum stock is fully prepared for the next stage of high-pressure extrusion processing. Using a 15,000-ton hydraulic press, raw aluminum is transformed into long, hollow structural profiles designed for high-speed rail systems. Controlled cooling and hydraulic stretching ensure each 25-meter extrusion maintains precise geometry and structural stability under industrial conditions. All aluminum profiles are now fully formed and validated, ready for the next stage of structural assembly and integration. Friction stir welding technology joins aluminum profiles into large, seamless structural panels without melting the base material. This solid-state welding process produces uniform joints with exceptional strength and long-term structural reliability for high-speed operation. Every weld seam is inspected using advanced non-destructive testing systems to ensure complete internal integrity and zero structural defects. All flat panels are now fully welded and validated, ready for the next stage of three-dimensional structural assembly. The assembly process now transforms flat panels into a three-dimensional aluminum structural frame using precise positioning and alignment systems. Advanced fastening and integration systems connect floor, side, and roof elements into a rigid structural configuration without completing the final car body. High-precision laser measurement ensures the entire structure maintains strict geometric accuracy across its full length. The partially assembled structural frame is now stabilized and ready for the next stage of detailed structural integration. The CR450 nose structure is built from precision-formed aluminum frames, defining its ultra-long aerodynamic profile. Friction stir welding ensures seamless bonding along curved surfaces, maintaining structural strength without thermal distortion. Advanced scanning and measurement systems validate every contour of the nose to match strict high-speed aerodynamic requirements. With the aerodynamic nose module completed, attention now shifts to the precision-engineered Bogey systems that will support high-speed stability. The Bogey forms the mechanical foundation of high-speed stability, built from cast steel structures and precision-machined railway axle systems. Each wheel set undergoes high-speed dynamic balancing to eliminate vibration and ensure smooth performance under extreme operating conditions. With suspension, braking, and bearing systems fully integrated, the rail bogie assembly is now prepared for installation beneath the car body structure. The integration stage connects the unfinished CR450 car body with the precision-engineered bogie systems. Synchronized lifting and alignment ensure the car body is lowered with exact precision onto the bogie pivot structure.
Torque sequence complete.
Data confirms specifications are met.
Load distribution is carefully measured to confirm balance across all wheel sets and suspension components. Thousands of meters of high voltage and signal wiring are installed to form the CR450HU's internal nervous system. Automated systems perform full continuity validation to ensure every electrical pathway operates without failure. Advanced shielding is tested to protect critical control signals from electromagnetic interference under high-speed conditions. With all electrical systems validated, the CR450 is now ready for roof system installation and external integration. High-capacity HV AC modules are installed to regulate temperature across the CR450 under extreme operating conditions. The pantograph system is carefully aligned to ensure stable electrical contact with overhead power lines at high speed. With all roof systems installed, the CR450 is now prepared for final surface coating and exterior finishing. The CR450 enters the coating phase with its aerodynamic nose fully formed and prepared for precision surface treatment. Robotic systems apply the signature red stripe, defining the identity of China's next-generation high-speed platform. The entire surface is refined to ensure uniform airflow behavior at ultra-high operating speeds. With coating complete, the CR450 emerges with its final aerodynamic form and visual identity fully realized. The CR450 enters its final inspection phase, where every system is verified under strict industrial standards. Advanced scanning systems ensure the aerodynamic structure meets exact design tolerances. Critical systems, including power, braking, and control, are validated for operational reliability. After rigorous testing, the CR450 stands ready as one of the most advanced high-speed trains ever built. The CR450 stands as a symbol of China's relentless engineering ambition, where precision, speed, and innovation converge into a single machine. Every curve, every system, and every detail reflects years of technological mastery and industrial scale. From factory floor to open rail, it represents not just a train, but a vision of the future faster, smarter, and more connected. As it accelerates toward the horizon, the CR450 carries with it the momentum of a nation pushing the boundaries of high-speed rail into a new era.